All right, let's take a look from inside the boat. As you can first see, this area here, I had put in two little storage compartments that have the little bungee type netting. This would have been otherwise dead space here, just on this part here. We've got two compartments. Looking at the storage compartment here, we've got this. Let's just take a look. I really don't know how best to narrate this other than just showing you guys what I had done. I did do all aluminum framing. I did this roughly June of last year, so I've fished this for at least a year. I didn't really want to come out with a video right away because I wanted to put it through its rigors to make sure that everything was going to function appropriately, and just, you know, I didn't want to put something out that wound up crapping out later on. But everything is still just functioning fantastic as the day that I had made it. If you look right there, you can see there's a light in there. When I was doing this, I hooked everything up to my anchor lights. So when you flip this switch, you'll get the lights. There's also the lights up at the very front, two of them, one on each side, that light up really well at night or in the morning when you're getting your gear together. So the primary objective when I did this is I wanted what I call a proper rod locker. Just like on a regular big boat, I can get easily 12, 15 rods in here. I only made 7 actual places, but I'm able to double those up pretty easily. You can see how I did the framing, and just a look from the inside here. Inside looks like maybe kind of dark, but it's all carpeted all the way around. Carpeted. And this just goes right back down pretty easy. Just like that, seamless. All right, let's see what it looks like with all the gear in there. So here's the typical gear that I would have out with me on a day at the lake. So here we have 8 rods here, and here's some tackle. These are the larger tackle storage things. Got all this in a container here. Likewise, I got another container with my plastics, some other odds and ends. But these are the things I would normally have on, with me out on the lake fishing. Okay, here's with all my gear restored back in its compartments. As you can see, great tackle management there. Lots of room. And I could get some more stuff like a life jacket or something on top, because we're about 4 or 5 inches from the top there. And then here in the rod locker compartment, we've got those 8 rods stored. I can put in here at least, up to about a 7.5 foot rod without any problems whatsoever. But again, plenty of room, well organized, easy to get to, and off your deck, and out of sight. If you were to go somewhere, spend a little time that you've got to park your boat, like run into the store or something, out of sight, out of mind. Well, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I plan on coming out with more content related to the Heritage Classic XL type style boat that a lot of us have. So subscribe, look forward to that, and we'll see you next time.